Is it time to buy or sell Treasure Global stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Treasure Global. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Treasure Global as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 68.58% since we initially recommended purchasing Treasure Global just 7 days ago. This results in an average return of 9.80% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next direction, as it may move either way. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 57.97% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 89.08% to 57.97%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 99.63%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 100.05% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and negative $0.0019. Our latest daily update for Treasure Global includes the headline, High Volatility in Treasure Global Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $3.81. The Treasure Global Incorporated stock price gained 83.17% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025. It rose from $2.08 to $3.81. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 39.24%, with a day low of $3.16 and a day high of $4.40. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 5,421.74% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 99 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 99 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $376.60 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $6 and the lowest price was 4.33 cents. Currently, the price is 36.50% or $2.19 below the 52-week high and 98.29% or $218.79 below the all-time high on January 10, 2023, when the price reached $222.60. Treasure Global Inc., traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker TGL, has recently announced that it has secured exclusive rights to launch Mezify's coupon platform, valued at $40 billion in Malaysia. The company is targeting between $2 million and $4 million in recurring annual revenue within its first year. This strategic move positions TGL for potential revenue growth and a competitive edge in the rapidly expanding e-commerce landscape. Furthermore, the company's introduction of artificial intelligence cloud infrastructure in Malaysia enhances its capabilities in leveraging advanced technologies, which supports its growing e-commerce ecosystem. These technological advancements are likely to significantly improve operational efficiency and customer engagement, setting the stage for sustainable long-term growth. Regarding its financial performance, TGL has reported substantial progress in its pro forma results for the fiscal year ending on June 30, 2024. It expects revenues of approximately $22.1 million along with a reduced operating loss. These figures signal that the company is on an upward trajectory, which is likely to instill confidence among investors. Additionally, TGL's recent partnership with Octagram Investment Limited aims to enhance user engagement through innovative technologies and mini-games, further driving user retention and attracting new customers. The termination of its at-the-market offering program also demonstrates a commitment to prudent capital management. As these developments unfold, TGL's stock price may experience upward pressure in the short term due to positive sentiments surrounding new revenue streams and technological investments. In the long run, sustained revenue growth, improved governance, and strategic partnerships could solidify TGL's position in the market, making it an appealing opportunity for investors. Analysts have assigned Treasure Global stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the stock receives a strong sell rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for Treasure Global. The stock of Treasure Global Incorporated shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average sitting above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, there will be support at the levels of $2.35 and 63.6 cents. A drop below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen 6,584.21%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot point is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical indicator. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal has been indicated. Pivots, a buy signal was noted 10 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 315 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal emerged 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal was noted 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was also identified 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Treasure Global. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, this stock may perform poorly over the next few days. The stock is expected to experience significant fluctuations during the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.24 between its high and low points, equating to a change of 39.24%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 23.85%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Treasure Global, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through difficult periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may indicate a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Treasure Global. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could rise swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and utilize volume as a guide for your exit strategy. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, suggesting that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Treasure Global from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 10th of December, 2024, when V Invesco Fund L Limited executed an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.68, reflecting a decrease of 3.34%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 83, further elevating this risk significantly. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 9 days ago. Is Treasure Global stock a good buy? Treasure Global Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At this point, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we anticipate that Treasure Global will open lower by 2 cents and begin trading at $3.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.